What's going on, music producers? It's Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com, and you're watching episode 7 of Can It Be Chopped. This is the show where we take your sample requests and we get to chop in 10 minutes or less. Today, we are going to attack the FORTNITE main theme song. I've seen this game on my timeline 1,000,001 times, and I had to go do some research, and I was like, it's gotta have a main theme. So why don't I just get into it? Obviously, it's a video game, so we getting ready to chop that thing on up after I listen to it. Heard it up here on YouTube. See if I can actually pull that up right now. You know, upon first listen, it's just not a whole lot going on. It's just spacey sounds, but who cares about all that? Let's get into what you came to see. Let's go to the screen and go to FL Studio and start to chopping this up. Okay, as you can see, we are here. We have the sample right up here in Edison. We're getting ready to chop it up and then send it here. Actually, let me open up FL Slicer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's the drums at? Let's go do the drums here first this time. New angle. Ugh. That's all I need. Yup. Okay. We chops around here. Hey, okay, I'm done. Hands up. I do want to finish this 808 though, because that's finna be stupid. Can I be chopped? Fortnite chopped in 10 minutes. Of course, there's more things I would do to this, but 10 minutes is up just like that. That was fun. It's finally great to get a relief of a beat that I can just get right to work. It's funny because as I've been doing these 10-minute challenges, realize I haven't done these 10-minute challenges before this Can It Be Chopped series for almost, let's say 10 years. Haven't done them in 10 years, so as I'm getting back in the swing of it, I'm starting to get back in that groove, and I'm learning more things about the way that I work, such as putting the drums first. That's the way to go for me because I can do so much more after the rhythm section is taken care of, but this is fun, man. I don't know if y'all having fun. I have fun with this one. Fortnite got chopped. If you guys have any requests, please go down to the comments below and we will get to that as soon as possible. Can it be chopped? Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com. Peace. Please subscribe to the channel below. Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com.